So I'm staying at the DoubleTree by Hilton at Heathrow Airport. This is just a standard room. When you come in, door, big full-length mirror, got tea and coffee making facilities, some tea bags, instant coffee kettle, small safe, coat hangers, and basically a storage. This is an airport hotel, so there's not any real reason you would store your luggage here. When you come in, bathroom is just in here, is a good size. You'll have to forgive the mess. This is actually the second day. I forgot to record when I arrived, and I shouldn't actually be here now. I should be on my way to the ship. But anyway, you have big sink. You have soap and body moisturizer. You have the Crabtree conditioner, shampoo and shower gel. Towels, toilet's fine. The shower is quite rubbish pressure. It's decent, but not too powerful. Coming back out, you have trouser press and ironing board thing with an iron, for some reason. Case stand. Big double bed, or there's a twin bed option with two single beds. Alarm clock / radio on the side there. Air conditioning controls. Big TV with 3 view channels. Light, desk, small chair for the desk. Window overlooking the car park. The window doesn't actually open, but yeah. Normally there'd be no reason to open it. A small kind of sofa thing, phone and bedside lights. Another mirror. Hello. And I've been to Starbucks this morning, so ignore that. So all in all, pretty basic room, but good enough for a night if you're staying at an airport hotel.